Hey, Chunga, I have a mission for you.
What is it?
Uh, you have to go stop the angels and the demons from fighting. They're fighting over the authority of the universe, and you have to stop them and find the resolution for their fight.
How?
Well, you figure it out. I am gonna just set the data and send you the reports later, so you better do it, or else you'll get fired.
Fine.
근데 왜 불이 나?
I'm gonna be the ruler of the universe. I'm gonna take over the world. I'm gonna be the king of the earth and the stars and the universe.
Stop right there. You can't have the earth and the universe because it's the authority of God, and I shall protect that.
What'd you say?
I said it's the property of God.
Okay. What do I need to do to have that?
You have to go through me to have the universe.
Okay. I'll try that. Okay, let's fight. Ah, 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 ah.
Oh no! There, the angel and devil are fighting! No! What should I do? What should I do? What can I do to resolve their fights? Oh, they're fighting so fiercely. Should I? Okay, let me contact them. Let me contact my agent so that he will know this. Ah! Angels and devils are fighting. What should I do?
Go tell them that they could split the universe in half, or
Oh, I got a good idea. You could just tell them the devil could have the earth, and God and the angels could have the whole universe. Oh, okay. I'll try that. Stop!
what?
I got a good idea so that you guys don't have to fight.
What possibly is that?
You could, the angel could have the whole universe, and the devil, you could have the whole earth.
Oh, that sounds pretty good actually. Yeah. Wanna do that? Wanna do that? Sure. Alright. Let's do that. Alright. Let's be friends, and now we don't have to fight. No. I want the whole universe and the whole earth.
Oh no! The angel! Let me help him. Hey, you okay?
I'm fine. Alright, let's work together and take this devil out of the earth and the universe. Alright? Friends?
Friends.
I am the ruler. I am the king. I am the monarch of this
whole universe and the whole earth. Ha ha ha. No one can stop me. Not so fast. You are not gonna be the ruler of the whole universe and the whole earth. We will overthrow you from your throne. Here it comes. Yeah! No! That's right! We saved the whole earth and the whole universe! Yay!
Hey, thanks for saving the earth with me.
Hey, no problem. I get more money, so it's okay.
Hey, alright. Then I'll see you sometime later. Bye.
Yay! I'm gonna go report to Mengi Changa so I could get the money. Hey hey hey!
What's waiting for me now?
I'm waiting. I finished my task. I finally resolved the fight of angel and demon. Day of devil. Hee hee.
Alright, good job. So I'll grant you a great prize that will make you prosper, and you could have cake for the rest of your life. Alright, good job.
Yay!
Thank you for watching, and here are the puppets who have contributed to the work of the puppet show right now. His name is Ningi Changa. He's a new ninja, and he's the age of 18.
Hey, my name is Ninja. I'm Chingy Changa.
And I'll introduce to you to the Mengi Changa. He is a secret data gatherer and he's a commander. And he's very smart at calculation and authoritative. And he helps Chingy Changa to accomplish his task and assign his due dates. Hey, my name is Mengi Changa, and I'm very smart. Alright, this is Devil, or he's known as Chianima, and he always floats around this fire here, and then he's very straightforward but manipulative, and he was a good part of the story. Hey, don't look at me. I'm too cool for you. And now the angel, he is very active and he's very peaceful too at the same time, and he's very honest, and he goes against evil, and his name is Dainima. Thank you for enjoying this fun puppet show. And my name is John Bay, and this project was for Computer Apps Class Period 5. Thank you.